Hello everyone, back again. In this video, I will show you how to hard reset Canon printer error. If you have some common error showing up on the screen, then, you can hard reset the device and see it could solve your problem. What you need to do is first turn off the power button. This will switch off the printer. Press on the stop button for 2 seconds. And while holding up, press on the on button and let go of the stop button. Press on the stop button 5 times so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let go of the on button. This will go into the reset state. So, the LCD will go blank. This is okay. Just give it a few seconds. Wait until power button stops blinking light. Just press on the on button to turn off. This will restart your Canon printer. On your computer you need to install new driver, because it has detected new drivers or hardware on the computer. If it is necessary, then try to reinstall the drivers. Hopefully this time, once you turn on the printer, it will work fine. That is how the problem is solved. I hope this may help you with your printer problem. For any query, just write down the query. We will surely give you an answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.